Listen and read.
A. Busy. Choose. Feel. Find. Free. Fun. Ill. Success. Successful. Look after. Get ill. Get better. Get well. B. Busy. Busier, busiest. A busy street. A busy city. A busy day. My mother is always busy in the mornings. Sam was busy and could not go to the cinema with us. Choose. Chose. To choose friends. To choose a good book to read. To choose a career. Look at the menu and choose what you like. What career would you like to choose? Feel, felt. To feel happy. To feel sad. What did you feel when you saw your friend again? Find, found. To find some places of interest. To find good friends. You can find some interesting videos on the shelf. Did you find the text difficult to understand? Free, a free day, free time, free people. We don't have any free time today. I'd like to talk to you if you are free. Fun, to be fun, to have fun. Horse riding can be fun. Did you have fun at the party? Ill, very ill. To be often ill. I don't want to be ill. My sister is ill, so she is staying at home. Success, to be a success. The new film was a success. My grandfather's career was a success. Successful, a successful writer. A successful businesswoman. Her children were successful in their careers. Look after. My cousin has 3 pets and looks after them. When my granny is ill, I look after her. Get ill. Get better. Get well. Try not to get ill. Is your brother getting better? Get well.